Hi, everybody. My name is Nick Smith, Senior Sales Associate here at AppointLink. And in this video, we're going to look at how to assign accommodations to students and how to quickly schedule accommodated exams. So what I'm going to do first is go over to our Students tab, and this is going to bring up an entire roster of your students. This is all sample data here. What I'm going to look for is Ann Davis here. Maybe you don't want to scroll through. Let's say Ann Davis wasn't at the top. You could also just type in first name, click enter, and Ann Davis will pop up if you don't want to scroll through a ton of students. Now I'm going to select Ann Davis, and it's going to load her own personal profile page. You can see some attributes up here that we can pull in from your SIS. Whatever you'd like us to pull in, we can do. You can also see her course schedule, and if I keep scrolling down, this is what we're looking for, the disabilities and the accommodations. Now I'm going to let you take a second and look at these accommodations, maybe even pause the video. Are these some of the accommodations that you offer at your institution? And if not, if there's more that you don't see here, don't worry. You can add to this, or you can edit pre-existing accommodations as well. But what I'm going to do here for Ann Davis is I'm going to assign her ADHD and that she requires 50% additional time for her exams. I'm going to save that. And now before I go over to our schedule tab, I'm going to go to our schedule status tab. And I'm going to click this create accommodated exams. Now I believe there's 3 or 4 students in the system right now that require accommodated exams. What it's going to do is it's going to calculate how much time each student needs for their exam and do the math for you. I'm going to click save, and when I go back to my schedule, you're going to notice these pink boxes have now appeared. These pink boxes represent accommodated student exams. You can see here Beyond IPO is a 3-hour long class or exam, when Ann Davis is taking the exam for 4.5 hours because she requires 50% additional time. So just like that, we assigned an accommodation to a student and created multiple accommodated exams. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to assign them into different rooms, because now it's great that we have, Beyond IPO original exam being taken at 9, but it looks like Ann Davis, Matthew Dean, and Jane Dixon are also taking that Beyond IPO at 9, and we want to make sure not everybody's in the same room. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'll show you how to assign individual rooms for each exam. Thanks for watching.